Hi, I'm Michael with Land Pride Service. Today we're going to talk about an NTS25, and we're going to show you how to go from your low range reduction to the low range setting and to the high range setting. The first thing we're going to want to do is locate this box, which should be in your main seed box, and then we're going to go ahead and take our covers off so we can proceed to show you the reduction kit. Now that we have taken our shielding off, we're going to go ahead and remove this chain and this idler sprocket so we can go back to our standard low side. We're going to install our next lockout out of the box that was in the main seed box. You're going to install your spacer, then your lockout sprocket, then we're going to go ahead and install our chain on our lockout sprocket, to our small sprocket, to our bigger sprocket. Now we have installed our chain, so we are on the standard low side. We've installed our idler sprocket on top, so we have nice tension on our chain. Now we're going to move down here to our low range, high range, and we're going to show you how to take it from the low range and flip the sprocket around and go to a high range. To know which side we're on, if your big sprocket is on the outside like it is right now, you are on the low range side. If your small sprocket is on the outside, you'll be on your high range side. So we'll go ahead and we'll take this from low range to high range to show you what it would look like. With the small sprocket on the outside, that means we're on the high side. Your chain that is on the small sprocket will always follow the small sprocket. It has 66 links in it. The bigger sprocket has 74 links, and that chain will always follow the big sprocket. So we're going to show you how our lockout works. Right now this pin is locked in, you're engaged. To disengage it, you're going to pull it out and twist it so that it holds it out so this sprocket will not turn. To re-engage, you're going to pull it out, twist it a quarter again, and put it back in. And always make sure that you turn the roller just a little bit to make sure it engages. Now that we have our covers back on, we're going to talk about our lockout pins. This is our all seed lockout. If this is not engaged, no box will turn. This is going to be our native box. If you're not using the native box, go ahead and disengage it so it's not turning, it's not hard on the cups. This is our grass seed that we just installed. This one is going to be used when you're on your low range and high range setting. This is your reduction lockout. This is one that we do not have attached right now, but if you're on the low range reduction, this one will need to be engaged. This is our small seed lockout, which only can be run on the low range side. If you have your sprocket down here on the high range, you need to make sure you disengage the small seed. Thank you for watching Land Pride Service YouTube channel.